In Tibet, there are festivals almost every month. These festivals seem to spirit of the people's life and the best happy time in the people's mind. Among them, the most grand vivid festival is Tibetan New Year. So there are different customs in different parts of Tibet. But always unforgettable is the festival and checklist of the New Year. The Tibetan Spring Festival began on December 29th of the Tibetan calendar. In the evening, every family should get together to eat gutu, to bed farewell the old and welcome the new, obtain peace and happiness. In Tibetan, the word tu in gutu means tuba, which refers to double zamba bridge. Legend has it that after people eat gutu, the god of heaven will wait it for people every day in the New Year can be full of food. Gutu contains 9 representative objects, different shapes of gutu which various symbols. Ginseng food symbolizes the nice to eat and the meaning of blessing. Straw, it symbolizes internal play of Dharma holding, which is very special. Yakdong symbolizes yin as a house table, representing abundance. Wheel symbolizes gentle and kind character. Porcelain symbolizes a new sword, symbolizes laziness. Chocolate green symbolizes bad heart, black heart. People symbolize speed for joy. Black beans symbolize stillness. As an important chapter of Gutu night is astrologing gods. We to eat Gutu end, then punch the Zamba in finger points, touching it from head to foot. Cut a small piece of cloth and stuck to Zamba, and threw it into pretty plate. Everyone need to keep some. The more is to throw away all the pain of noise in the body and heart. When everything is party dish, it's ready. Let the toy sweet in house and show it. All demons go out. Then take the torch and party dish and throw them to neighbor instruction to follow evil spread. Illuminate the stars and welcome the arrival of New Year. Tibetan New Year's Eve is a very busy day. This day, in addition to cleaning the house, personal hygiene, In some places, escapes will be moved and placed on the wheel of their horse. Every family will fall with the hot and cold bamboo chima with game mixture of zamba, bread with gems, ginseng water and other food, on top of highland really speak and golfla colored bread. Then put chima, kase, barley wine, sheep's head for tea, ghee, and salt. It's commanded in the main hall. Dry it as spacious pictures with zamba or with powder in front of get. Congratulate beforehand New Year. For that's good harvest and bossman livestock or flourish.
横贵宾，食物是。
Was welcomed in the spacious wrapped the early morning horse. On the first day of the Tibetan People's Congress, there will be water competition. Each herd will send a young man to river to be take water to grab the first way of water. According to Tibetan tradition, however, grabs first bucket of the water on first day of Tibetan calendar is garden water. From the second bucket of water is called silver water, which indicates a special, like and rolling wheels. When the sun rises, the custom people have finished several courses of holiday food in order of seniority. At that time, neighbors should of Shema, worship early way, and shed the long past, touch the personal and unpardonable himself to express good luck, health, happiness, harmony, affliction. After that, the whole family would gather together behind closed door. On the first day, the Lhasa New Year, when Buddha has the farmers, the hardest men make pilgrimage to the Jongha temple in Lhasa to pray for the safe and healthy New Year. On the second day of the New Year, the activities visiting relatives and friends make the street the village, and it has become a time of people to share New Year fashion. There are Lhasa, justly everywhere with a wish. On the third day of the Lhasa New Year, the activity of many religions are to contain. Chugmabari smoke is sprayed on the roof, and the young people will be quite colorful prayer flags on the roof and top the mountain to pray for disaster. The first family pastoral areas will hold new horse ceremony, horse racing, tug of war, swimming and other colorful entertainment activities. The celebration of the Tibetan Lhasa New Year will continue until the 15th day of the first month of the Tibetan calendar.